Yo, late nights, getting up out of here. Y'all see what it is. Went on, glossed them out. Let y'all get a little eclipse, but y'all know what it is. Y'all already saw the upstairs. Y'all already know how I finished it, knocked it out. Nice fresh finish for you guys. Yeah, this that joint. Finally up out of here. Knocked everything out to satisfaction. Got them nice and right. Y'all see what it is. Check it all out. See how your boy do. Y'all see the flow in here too. All of that good stuff. Got the little half bath. Just cleaned it up. Excuse the haze on the mirror. Y'all see what it is. This room in here nice and glossed out. I don't even want to walk on the nice little fresh flow, but I'll let y'all see it. So, finished job down here. I got everything knocked out. Got the flow going in on the stairs. Got the trim put in, all of that good stuff. Got this knocked out. I got the whole basement tiled out. Y'all see it. Whole thing, one continuous slab. Going all the way through. Start y'all all the way in the back. You know, y'all probably see a couple of them little touch-up spots. They still drying. It's all gonna come together. They never did find the closet door, so I don't know what they gonna do, but I know I'm through. Furnace room all nice and cleaned up. See the water heater I put in, all that good stuff. Platinum Hands Contractors, we do it all. No job too big, no job too small. You know we gonna get to it and we gonna get through it. Or the bathroom that I installed. I know y'all been waiting to see, hey, what this bathroom gonna look like down here? Well, here you go. Ensuite master bathroom. Everything ran in, everything nice and tight. Shower hooked up just right. Nice little tile job. Shower in complete, clean, everything clean. Really, this cleaning is what took a whole lot of time. But I got through it. They only bought one shelf. They gotta get two more. They moving slow, faster than I guess they couldn't catch me before I got up out of here. Don't mind coming back, but it's gonna be extra charge because y'all should have got that. Anywho, Platinum Hands Contractors. Y'all see it. Nice little light put in there. Everything did up just right. I'm gonna start cutting these lights off now. Cause I'm getting up out of here. Doors cut to size, trim put in. Everything did up. Put this old ugly sink back in. It is what it is. Another little sump pump area in here or whatever. Access to the shower panel, all that good stuff. Ain't nothing too much to see over there. Yeah, I should clean this window out. I'm glad I came in and saw this. Yep. But y'all see what it is. Platinum Hands Contractors. No jobs too big, no jobs too small. We do it all. Give us a call. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all like it. Uh-oh.